How to redeem Fortnite codes on PS5. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to redeem Fortnite codes on PS5. The first step is to open up any web browser and search for Fortnite. Then you want to select this website, which is fortnite.com. Here, you want to log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the profile icon. Then from all of these options, select V-Bucks card. Here, it says that an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. Click on the Get Started option. Log into your Epic Games account if prompted. If not, then in this page, you will have to enter your code. The code you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security code. So go ahead and enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card below. Then click on the next option. The next step is to choose the device you play Fortnite on. Fortnite V-Bucks cards are supported in PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile. Since you want to use it on PS5, go ahead and select PlayStation, then click on the next option. Now, review the details and click confirm if the Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct. Then, you want to open Fortnite on your PS5. Now you can view and spend your V-Bucks in PS5, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.